Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at summation notation and what it is. So I'm going to draw what a problem using this notation would look like. Okay? So whenever you see this type of problem, you have to look at what the bottom says first. So I can see that k equals 1, then at the top I can see that there's a 6. So the numbers we're going to be using to input into this formula will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Because our k starts at 1 and then it goes all the way up to 6. That's how you're going to read it. You're going to look at the bottom, then you're going to look at the top, and that'll give you the range of numbers. Or that'll give you a range of numbers. So keep that in mind first. And then, like we just said, this is a formula. So whatever is going to be on the right side will be the formula that you have to use. So what we do is that we plug in each of these numbers into the same formula, okay? And k squared is just an example. It could be like k minus 1, k cubed, k to the power of 4 minus 2/3. It could be anything, right? And then we plug each of these numbers into this formula, and then we add those numbers together, which is why it's called the summation. So let's see how we would work this out. So we know this is our range of numbers, okay? So we can put 1, sorry, I'll make that bigger. So this will be how it looks like. We can expand it over here, which you guys should be familiar with now, but it'll look like this. So 1 plus 2, or sorry, 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 is 25 plus 36. So this would equal to 5 plus this, which would be 25 plus 25 plus 36. So 55 plus 36 equals 91. That'll be the answer to this problem right here. So this was obviously a very simple problem, but let's see another type of problem. Okay, so let's write example number 2. Say it looks like this, right? Then we have k equals 1 down here. And let's say the top we have 4. But this time our formula will be this, okay? So same process. You might be a little, confused, but hopefully not. But just because k is here, it's the same process, okay? So it would be 3 to the power of 1, because remember this has to go in, plus 3 to the power of 2. Okay, because we have to go 1 all the way to 4, which is why I have 1, 2, 3, 4 here, because those represent the k, and 3 is the constant, so this always stays 3, okay? And I'm not going to solve this just because that's not the point of this video, but this will be the answer to the notation, okay? And let's look at one more problem right here. So for this type of problem, you can just put the 1 in there and solve normally. So our first term will look like this. Okay, and then so on, it'll be 2, and then it'll go down all the way to 5, and then 10. That's it, okay? And that's going to give you your answer.